Happy vegan bakers. This is Sarah from Sarah's Tasty Treats, and today I'm going to make my vegan granola. It's just a plain basic granola. Alright, so these are the ingredients that I use to make the granola. So I use 100% pure maple syrup, old-fashioned oats, chia seeds, flax seeds, sunflower seeds, avocado oil, peanut butter. Now, normally in my regular granola I use the same brand peanut butter, but it's a chocolate peanut butter. I just had forgotten that ingredient today. But normally in most of my granolas there's a chocolate peanut butter. Alright, so I'm going to start out by making a sauce. So I mix all the wet ingredients like the oils, the peanut butters, the maple syrup. I put them all and I melt them down into a pot, and it makes like a sauce, and then I put it over the oats, the flax seeds, and the sunflower seeds, and the chia seeds. And then I bake that into an oven at 325 for about 10 minutes, and then I stir it, and then I give it another like 5-10 minutes, so depending on how crunchy you like your granola. And then I stir it again, I take it out, I let it cool, and I put it in mason jars. So I'm gonna make that recipe today and see how it goes. Alright, so in this pot I have about 15 to 18 cups of oatmeal, not the quick oats, but the old-fashioned oats. And then I took one of these bags of flax seeds. There was about half left, so I put half a bag of flax seeds, and then I put about a bag of chia seeds, because I had half of one bag and then I just opened this one, so about a bag of chia seeds, 16 ounces of sunflower seeds, so raw sunflower seeds. That's what's in for my granola right now. I'm going to take you over to show you what I put in the sauce. So this is the peanut butter and maple. It's got some raisins in it. So normally I would have used the chocolate peanut butter, but I couldn't go. But in this pot I have 2 cups of maple syrup, 2 cups of peanut butter. I have 2 tablespoons of vanilla, 2 cups of avocado oil. So I'm going to mix this sauce with the dry oats and flaxseed, chia seed, and sunflower seed, and then I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it. Alright, so I just mixed the sauce with the oat mixture, and I found out that it was a little bit too moist and there was too much sauce, so I added the rest of my oats to them. So I used 2 big containers of the old-fashioned oats, and that's 2 pounds, so altogether 4 pounds of oats. So that worked out pretty good. So now I'm going to take this mixture, stick it on a sheet tray in a nice flat layer on a sheet tray, and stick it in the oven. So I'll come back once I'm all on the sheet trays and ready to go in the oven, and I'll show you what that looks like. So this is a granola. I put it on a sheet tray. I put it in a nice even layer, not too thin, not too thick, and I'm going to stick it in the oven for 10 minutes. And once the 10-minute mark hits, I'm going to take it out of the oven, and I'm going to stir it around with a rubber spatula or a wooden spoon, and just stir it around so it doesn't stick to the pan or create big clumps. And then I'm going to put it back in for about 5-10 more minutes. This is what the granola looks like after 10, 11 minutes in the oven. You can see how it's nice and goldeny, like a brownie color. I'm going to take a spatula and I'm going to just mix it up. So I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so I got my oven mitt on, so it says pan's hot, just came out of the oven, safety first. And then I got just a regular spatula, a rubber spatula. Alright, let's see if I can set the camera up right here. Let me show you how I mix my stuff around. So I just mix it. Ooh, try not to get it on the floor. It's the hardest part is not making a mess. Just make sure you lift it away from the edges. You mix it around. I don't want to get it on the floor. Get it all in. It should look like, just look like this again. Alright, so it's going to go back in the oven, and that'll be another like 5, maybe 10 minutes, and then we'll put it into the jars. Alright, so the granola came out of the oven and it cooled, and I put it in little mason jars. For right now, I have them in little mason jars, and I have some in other containers, because I think I'm going to just take it home, and the chocolate peanut butter that I did forget, I think I'm just going to melt that down and put this granola back into like a bigger bowl and mix it together. That way it can add a little bit of a chocolatey flavor that I think that it needs. I think that's what this granola was just lacking. But other than that, it was simple to make in under an hour, and it made quite a bit. I'm pretty sure I'm going to get a couple more of these big jars, and then this is for an order for a lady who wanted 14 small half-pint jars and 4 big jars, but I think I might even have some left over. So thanks for sticking out with me and watching me make this granola, and I hope you try it at home. And if you do, you can comment below with pictures or comments of how it tasted. And you know, this is a basic granola, so you can add anything you want to the granola. So you can make it tropical with pineapple, you can make it with cinnamon and dried apples, you can make it with a little bit of banana and whatever, you can add nuts to it, whatever you want to add to it. This is just a basic granola, and you can flavor it in any way you would like. So I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to like my video. Thank you.